You're exhausted, and not just missed a few nights of sleep exhausted, but the kind of exhaustion that makes it impossible to focus throughout the day, makes you snap at your family and friends, and leaves you feeling drained by 3 p.m. And it's not just the exhaustion, it's the headaches with no apparent cause, skin that looks duller than it used to, and a brain that feels like it's permanently buffering. You're forgetting simple tasks, people's names, and you just don't feel as sharp as you used to. You know you could be doing so much more with your time if you could just figure out how to turn your brain back on. You've tried everything to get your vibrant, focused self back, and nothing has worked. But what if you've been focusing on the wrong kind of energy? Most of us know about body energy, the energy we get from sleep, rest, and sometimes caffeine. As a society, we've finally started talking about this kind of energy. We understand that we burn out without adequate rest and breaks, but most of us don't pay any attention to our cellular energy. That's the kind of energy we create inside the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondrial matrix. Simply put, you must make energy to have energy. And when your cells aren't producing energy like they used to, you'll feel tired no matter how many hours you clock at night. Hi, I'm Laura Frontero, a nurse practitioner and functional health specialist. I help high achievers reclaim lasting and vibrant health and energy, and I'm so excited to announce that I'm hosting the Restore Your Mitochondrial Matrix Summit to help you boost your energy and fix your health. This week-long virtual event will bring together experts from all over the world to help you restore your energy and reach your full potential at work, at home, and in everything you do. At the summit, you'll get to the root cause of your lack of energy. We'll focus on balancing your gut, reducing inflammation, resetting your hormones, and optimizing your body for total health. I built this event for the self-starters who lately find themselves needing a little extra help to get going each day, for the busy person, the professionals, entrepreneurs, and CEOs, and the people who feel stuck but desperately want to achieve more. Because you have important things to do, and you don't have the time or the headspace for exhaustion, food sensitivities, brain fog, moodiness, constipation, GI issues, or bloating. You were built for more. So drop your name and best email on this page to tell me where to send your free invitation, and I'll see you in the summit.